What's going on? To another React video. Hopefully you're enjoying these slightly different to my investment and life videos. In my last reaction video, I reacted to Texas BBQ and I had a lot of questions. One of them was basically how to cook a smoked barbecue, and a lot of you recommended this video. So hopefully this video answers a lot of my questions. I'll probably have a lot more during this video, but let's get into it. Don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe. How do you become a pit master? So like you see all these people like pit master at this place. Like, how do you earn that title? Is it just someone who works in a barbecue place? If you're like the head chef, you're a pit master. How do you earn that title?
And we're gonna get going.
So that's one of the main things I want to learn, is how to trim the meat. Because obviously, I want to say that's probably the hardest part about it. Because obviously seasoning it is seasoning. Cooking it is basically, as long as the temperature right, it's just constantly checking on it, making sure, stuff like that. But trimming it, I probably imagining that's the hardest, because if you get the fat levels wrong, if it's too much fat, too little fat, then it's going to cook differently. So that would probably be the biggest answer I would like, is trimming. So yeah, this is another one is obviously he's going to cook it overnight. But again, obviously it's a smoker. So how is he going to keep that temperature all night? Like you see a lot of people, they'll start at like 3 a.m. in the morning. They'll start cooking it and they're always checking on the temperature and the fire, making sure the fire is constantly going on. But he's going to leave his fire and come back in the morning. So how do you deal with that? Is it better to basically smoke it for, let's say, 8 hours from 3 a.m. until whenever, constantly checking on the temperature and the fire? Or is it cooking it overnight like Matt is here? Well then, so what I know is roughly, it literally depends on the person, how they like their meat, how they cook it. Depends on the smoker, the temperature it runs at. It literally, there's no like one size fits all. There's not like, here's instructions on how to cook a brisket. It just seems like everybody just does it completely different. And it's just a trial and error kind of thing. But if it is a one size fits all, then chuck it in the comments. I'll be interested to know. But hopefully summer's over here now, really. We're like 3 months from Christmas, so it's going to be pretty cold. So probably not a time I want to be sat outside cooking a brisket for 12 hours when it's snowing. But definitely something I will be looking to do for sure. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.